Hi everybody, it's 1:28 and 48 seconds on July 13th, Friday the 13th. This is the mini number one for the two graded Amazing Spider-Man 102s, the 7.0 signed and the 9.0 signed. There are 10 spots. Whoever comes in first place is going to automatically get assigned the first three open spots in the main. And those spots are 2, 4, and 5. Whoever comes in second place in this mini automatically gets assigned the next two open spots in the main, which are going to be spots 10 and 11. So let's roll our dice and get this show on the road. The number is 12. Best of luck, everybody. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and here's the final one, 12. Spot 5, Josh Santoyo gets spots 2, 4, and 5 in the main, and Will Lehman will get spots 10 and 11 in the main. Time has just turned 1:30.